That's Studio!
Tambay! 3, 2, action!
KNC Bible Verse Memorization Challenge Day 137 Omega Did You Bible Verse of the Day Psalms 37:23 in Tocqueville version or in Papua New Guinea language on Psalm 37:23 Bigpla isabes kaya inim walkabout bilong good plaman na I amamas long rot bilong on Psalm 37:23 and in Tagalog version awit 37:23 ang lakad ng tao ay itinatag ng Panginoon at siya ay nasasayahan sa kanyang lakad. Awit 37:23. King James Pisin Bible. Talk, thank you. Eagle on God. Salamat po sa Diyos. Thanks be to God.
Tambay! 3, 2, action!
KNC Bible Verse Memorization Challenge Day 137 Omega Did Bible Verse of the Day Psalms 37:23 in King James Version. The steps of a good man are ordered by the Lord, and he delighteth in his way. Psalms 37:23. Thanks be to God po.
Good take! Good! Good job!
Stand by. 3, 2, 1, action!
Hello guys! I will Mama's there, so we will just do landing. Tata Diyos!
You like that?
What's landing?
So short. You will do what lambing? What lambing?
Loving us.
Labbing. You will do only labbing. Why?
Tapos yung ang my Diyos.
Oh my Diyos. Go, say more. Kuya,
Oto may papas there, Reynod.
patay.
My kuya is Kuya Roblox. Tete at Boo. Amaze is 1,000 years. Tata Diyos.
I think you just said that in the last video. Finish. Can you not say anything anymore? Huh? Oh, no, I mean something more. Can you not say something different? You have already said that. Oh, so.
You say what you are saying to us in the room.
Yes, go. What was that? You're saying to Kuya and Tete in the Go, say it.
Kuya and Tete in the room.
Oh, what?
I'm the C in the house. But your ideas good.
It's good. You're just good. Also, Tete and Kuya, they are just good also as you.
They're wearing
Sure.
headband.
They are wearing headband? They are or you are?
You
Are
are there.
they or you are?
You are.
You are. I am.
Tata Diyos.
Always wanting to finish, to end the video. Huh? Don't you want to see yourself anymore then? Go ahead. Your drawing. How about your drawing?
Mama and Papa is
Show it to the
Hey.
camera.
my mama and Papa is
What?
this
Just
do
what? They can't see
my
the drawing. They can't see the drawing. Oh. It
Just
seems
do
there's
what?
nothing in there.
What are they doing?
they are always behaving us, and then this kuya, this Tete,
This.
and this I will hating.
Not this. This is
This one also.
ocho.
This the always the wind goes.
The what?
Because the wind goes.
Windows.
No.
Because we read it in the morning.
You will
We
sleep in the
will
morning.
this doing night.
During what?
Lai.
What's lai? What's lai?
Go on, the other drawing.
The other, how about the other drawing? Did you draw that?
One.
Did you draw that? Huh? Go show it to the camera. It's not being seen. Show it there. No.
This one, the brown
Brown.
and yellow.
You're saying the color.
Red.
You are saying
Red.
the color. What is that drawing about? About what? What is that about?
Jacob.
What? Jacob. Where's Jacob there? Abstract yan ah. Huh? Do you know abstract drawing? Huh?
Good job.
Good job. A drawing that is ugly, abstract drawing. That will look like ugly. Huh? See, oh, how is that? Ugly drawing. Yeah. So that is abstract. Okay. Bye
After
now.
just
Yes. Will you not say about your headband?
What are you texting on your? What are you doing on your cell phone?
the spelling.
The spelling? Wow. Do you know how to spell words? Huh?
But Mama is text.
Texting. So you cannot do the spelling. Buy your own cell phone. Huh? Can you buy your own cell phone? Why? Why not?
Because I will tap the YouTube.
You
No
have
internet.
no internet. What do you want to watch there in YouTube?
There's no.
There's
There's
no
ABT.
ABT. Ah, ABT. Okay.
After just
Your headband is nice. Don't you want to say something about your headband? Why not? Tapping now?
come by 3, 2, 1, action.
KNC Bible Verse Memorization Challenge Day 120 Psalms 37:23 in Toksin version or in Papuan Guinea language or Psalm 37:23. Bigpla, isabe, tiya ining walkabout bilong good plan.
Please like and subscribe.
Hit the bell.